Okay, I've just put this in here and I've got it running, so I'm just going to show you that. The model number is 58R5. There's the serial number. It's a Hisense. It's not going to be perfect because I've only got a wire hooking onto it, and this is a commercial channel, so I'm not going to play it too long. It's been going for over an hour. Okay, let's go through the fault the easiest way. I removed the mounting first, then I went around and I undone all the screws, which you don't have to watch me do, which is good, isn't it? I think it's good. And that one, and one here. Anything that's got a little arrow, get rid of it. Right, this will come off. I just got to get it off. Problem is, my fingers. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, here's the main board. Custom fault. All right, this 58R5. R5 is probably the panel. It could be an LG panel. It could be a Samsung panel. They're pretty much the only ones they make. Okay. What was happening was I'd turn it on. It'd come up with too much energy, and it would shut down. But your main red light, which is over here, would stay on, which confused me a little bit because the red light is this side of the board. Okay? Not that side of the board. All right. So, what did I do to fix it? Well, I desoldered that one and replaced them with two new capacitors. You'll have to have a quick look on them. I can't really tell where the markings were. I did have all the numbers, but the main thing I did do is I tested these three here. Now I'm going to show you what they put in. Okay, TV set. It's been on for over an hour in the heat in Australia. So they're smaller, very much smaller than these ones. So I'll flip it upside down, maybe that's better to see it. Okay, that is the original capacitors. There was three of them. Now, these are rated at 350. They're a 10 microfarad, 350 volt cap. Guess what these are? They're a 10 microfarad, 350 volt cap. And these ones come from, and they're also 105 degrees. Remember, you need 105. You can go up in voltage. I can tell you can go to 400 if you feel like it. I would have. They are pretty warm. But I didn't have any. So I'd got these from Mouser. So Mouser, thank you. And these ones are from Mouser. So pretty happy with them. After I replaced those three caps, I checked these ones. They were reading right, so I just left them, put them back in. And I scrubbed the back with a bit of alcohol and a toothbrush to finish the job off. Yes, there's people out there that do this for a living, doing TVs. I used to, but I don't do it anymore. So watch your fingers on these. Do not play with this. If you're a kid, do not play with this. Do not put power into it. These can be live. Do not play with them. All right? The caps can be live. Now, to get this board off, there's one screw there, another screw there, another screw there, which is earthed, another screw there, which is a different screw. Unplug that. Unplug your light or your power for your LEDs. So this is a pretty modern unit. Don't know whether it's still in warranty or not in warranty. I thought I'd just fix it. All right, well, that's it from me, from Chucks. I hope you're having a great time. And just remember, if you can't fix it, destroy it. No. If you can't fix it, leave it alone. Get a qualified technician, electrician to do it. Mainly a technician. Electricians wouldn't go into this type of stuff.